because the principles you neglect will never benefit you. It's what promise. Apostle promise. This man came from South Africa. I got to Kumbera, Babando Kumbera Mutore airport. I had to drive from Tika Airport. And Babando to Mondina Mati. I prayed for him. That was my first time to meet him. I got tender. Jaga Wana Shimati. Kambanyash. I don't have no more food this one time. I don't have no more food this one time. Because that's the man. He had a dream on Saturday night. The Jimuna Mati. And for the first time in Zuru, people don't go to Dava and Womanamatra for the first time. Omulema Odeso, Aruanama gets really serious. I saw the better than I'm not sure the has written in Zuru Church this thing that happened. Very small. And the Kutiva Rukureva Chile Nyasha, Benefit Nyasha. So, God's truth is our protection. I'm about to finish. His faithfulness will be your shield and rampart. His faithfulness. It will be your shield. I hear me someone. Don't worry about those living in the church, people of God. Amen. We don't know where on assignment. Don't go. If they are time to leave and I want to let them go, don't hold on to people who are not supposed to be yours. One way I have to bless him for your own information. Sakuna one or not on the Namar, I hear me somewhere. You know what Brazil so it all the and Jaka Buddha Chaka Sakachi. Aywa. Mama Grassi Meko. Eh. The guy who you like you are. This is the only language I don't know about when that we end up. You better what I got. Sakakuneva Chawia, Mumpay. Both sit at December, did not go on to put this dog. This is my one to someone that I'm supposed to meet. Chadu Sangana Nechi. I don't have a papa. You wouldn't see me, Macaramonos. I won because my child name. But when someone I got about South Africa, I fully decided to get South Africa Cup winner. I said to Bona, tomorrow will be our first time winner. Kiroba doesn't tell me for this, so sure. Sure. So God will command angels pertaining you so that they will guard you. But angels are ones and die, which are disobedience. You have to be in obedience so that God will command his angels to come and guard you. You understand? Sure, salvation is for individuals. So God's deliverance is for sure and it's for real. For he will surely deliver you. Are you hearing me, somebody? And God's love is unwavering because he loves you. His love will remain forever. Ida Maria no kuda. Siana never no sila kuda kumanikizira rudo. Zazo da kumanikizira rudo. Pauno dio no na wega. Gati ndega babatu. Kuna na kumanikizira rudo. Ende pauno dio no na wega. You understand? So God's love is unwavering. We can call on God anytime, and He will answer our calls anytime. Kufonela mara akuti airtime, akuti moto, kwangodai soti baba kani baba. Ndinzwe iwo wamasimba ose. Pavanonamata Mwari kana musina kuvanzwa nekuda kwezvikonzero zvakasiyana, pavachindinzwa iwo mweya mutsvene, pavachanamata, pavachapfugama vagoshedzera kuti Baba inzwaiwo inzwi ravo, vhuraiwo nzeve dzenyu, vapindura iwo wamasimba ose. Ndanamata Baba, ndanamata, ndini muranda wenyu wamasimba ose, ndinzwe iwo. Mudairewo Christine paachanamata ari kwari koko Baba. Paachanamata fe ari kwari koko Ishe wamasimba ose, munzwe iwo wamasimba ose, ndinzwe iwo Jesu. Kana pane changa chichidzivisa munamato wake kuti usvike, Baba wamasimba ose, inzwa iwo munyengetero wangu waJehovha wamasimba ose. Baba inga munosindidzwa wani, chindinzwa iwo panhau yake iyi wamasimba ose. That's not about us. Chemezwa nevarume, sei vakadaro. Vakadaro, siyaiwo vakadaro. Havadi Mwari wenyu, vanodai mimi asi Mwari wenyu havamudi. So, siyai vakadaro. Regai Mwari uchadhila nazvo. He will deal with it and deal with it. Zvichienda zvakadaro. So God is present is our victory. We'll call Him in times of trouble. Mwari unotida personally. He loves us personally. We must acknowledge God in our lives. God is there to rescue us. You understand? And He answereth our cries. Unonzwa chema kwedu. And God is there to deliver us in times of trouble. He is ready to deliver us. He is ready to honor us. Zvakadi kuti Mwari uyu akushanyire. I want to cause something to happen. Keyboard yedu imwe wakati kuda mari 35. Ndakanganoda kuti po $35. Takagadzisa imwe keyboard yedu yekudhara because takati kuti tizosiya kadaro haingatozonike. So if you are there even online, want to give us $35 to pay for our keyboard imwe yatakanga tinayo yanga yafa. Nongotoona, nongotibata azvinesi Mwari achikuropafadza. If you are there here, just let me know. Mwari achitifunzira mberi. There's still a lot that we will need to accomplish. But zvinogoneka nenyasha dzaJesu. Zvinogoneka nenyasha dzaJesu. Just stand up wherever you are. Saka yakunyadzorira zvotorefa. Rotukatoikwenye ipapo inotokwenye. Anozorera Jesu maoko. Zvakaipera kuti chechi yane zvinhu zvayo. Zvakaipera. Maikudwa zvakaipera. New one tanayo, then old one here, yafixwa. Ikaitawo problem here, inenge iripozo ichingopindana zvakadaro. And ndizvoka? Mixer iri kunakidza ere mukomana? Ndikakuti mukomana manje ndozoti ndinapeka, maunotengesa. Iri kunakidza ere kwabantu wani? Zvakuenda zvinzwisisika. Ko crossover. Zvese. Are you heavy? Masana amplify. We'll sort it out. We'll sort it out. Ishe Namata, namata, namata. Pray, 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 somebody pray. Pray, 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 somebody pray.